Today we are going to talk about carboxylic acid. So, carboxylic acid is the organic group that contains the carboxylic functional group, that is COOH. They are weak acid and commonly found in nature as well as in many industrial products. The general formula is the R group with COOH. R represents the alkyl or aryl group, whereas COOH is the a carboxylic functional group. Okay, so first example is methanoic acid, so that is HCOOH. Second is ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH. I will make a diagram for methanoic acid. So that is structure of methanoic acid, COOH, and that is methanoic acid. How we are going to make methanoic acid? We are going just to remove here carbon, and there is three carbons, three hydrogen with this carbon, but with the next carbon we have double bond with O and OH. That is ethanoic acid. Okay. Now propanoic acid is C2H5COH, benzoic acid C6H5COOH. Functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, consists of carbonyl group C double bond O and hydroxyl group, that is OH. The combination gives the carboxylic acid their acidic properties. U-Pack nomenclature: carboxylic acid are named by replacing the "e" at the end of the corresponding alkane to oic acid. Okay, for example, methane is replaced to methanoic acid, ethane is replaced to ethanoic acid, propane is replaced to propanoic acid, and butane, and so on. Physical properties: usually colorless or crystalline liquid. They have a sour taste and possess high boiling point because molecules are held together by a strong hydrogen bonding. First four are highly soluble in water. Water solubility decreases as carbon chain becomes larger. They are polar compound due to the presence of carboxylic group. Chemical properties: acidic nature. Carboxylic acid is partially ionized in water to produce hydrogen ions and making them a weak acid. For example, this example is that it is giving H plus ions, but you can see here that it is a reversible reaction. So it is a weak acid. Reaction with active metals: carboxylic acid reacts with reactive metals such as sodium and potassium to produce salt and hydrogen gas. For example, here you can see the ethanoic acid is reacting with sodium. It produces a salt plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is released, and reaction with bases carboxylic acid neutralize alkali to form salt and water. That is all. Again, the same for any acid and alkali, that is acid plus alkali gives us salt, that is a salt plus water. Okay. Reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates: carboxylic acid reacts with carbonates and biocarbonates to produce carbon dioxide. Here everything will be same. Okay, till that we have one salt and water plus CO2. Okay, that is a additional product with carbonate. Esterification. Esterification is a carboxylic acid reacts with alcohols in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form esters and water. Okay, so carboxylic acid plus alcohol gives us ester plus water. So what will happen? That this bond will be broken. Okay, and they will join together and make ester. What is the structure of ester? I will make on the side the structure of ester, that is simply CH3. Okay, and then C C double bond O. I will just drag it over there. Just 1 second. And then we have carbon that has two hydrogen over here and three hydrogen over here. Okay, so they will break alcohol and carboxylic acid to make esters. Okay, esters usually have a fruity smell. Okay, carboxylic acid can be reduced to primary alcohols using strong reducing agent. What is a strong reducing agent? That can reduce other element. For example, lithium aluminum hydrate LiAlH4 is a strong reducing agent. Whenever you see a question about the strong reducing agent, one of the best option would be lithium aluminum hydroxide. Okay, and the carboxylic acid can only make a primary alcohol. Okay, preparation of carboxylic acid, so that is the opposite of reduction, that is oxidation of primary alcohol. So primary alcohol are oxidized to carboxylic acid using acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate. They both are very good oxidizing agents, so they will add oxygen and that will create carboxylic acid. Oxidation of aldehydes. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid. Okay, for example, CH3, CHO, if we oxidize aldehyde, that will give us carboxylic acid. Hydrolysis of nitrate. Nitrate reacts with water under acidic or alkaline conditions to produce carboxylic acid. That is simply CH3CN. Instead of CN, it is replaced by double OH group, and NH3 ammonia has been produced. Acidity of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are strong acids in alcohol because carboxylic ions formed after losing hydrogen ion in a stabilized by a resource. Order of acidity: carboxylic acid, phenol, and alcohol. Factor affecting acidity: electron withdrawing groups such as Cl, NO2 increase acidity. Electron donating groups such as CH3 decrease acidity. Important reaction of carboxylic acid that you have to know: neutralization, esterification, reduction, decarbonylation, formation of acidic chloride, formation of amides, and formation of acid anhydrous. Uses of carboxylic acid are: acetic acid is used in vinegar and food preservation. Formic acid is used for leather tanning and textile industry. Benzoic acid is used as a food preservative. Carboxylic acid are used for manufacture of medicine, dyes, perfume, plastic, detergents, and polymers. Okay, that's all about it. Please subscribe, and if you want to take online classes, you can contact us.